mouse because they fly around all weird. They're like buttons.
So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a back kickover and how to do a handstand roll. I got these suggestions from my last video. If you guys haven't seen it, I did a tutorial on there, and I think it was a chest stand and a back bend. So if you guys want to go over those, go ahead to that video after you're done watching this one. So I do have a couple things written down here that I do have to address. So the person that suggested a handstand roll for today's video is Mia and Sean LOL. So they suggested to do the handstand roll, which thank you for that suggestion. I appreciate it. The next thing that we're going to be doing today is from Crafty Nerd. She asked for a kickover. She's been trying to do it for a couple of months, so I'm going to try and help her out today, both of those people. And I do have a couple questions that I'm going to answer very quickly. So for Michelle Daniel, she asked if I can do a back tuck. I do not have my standing back tuck, but I can teach you a round off back tuck, which I don't think I've done yet. In this front room, this is kind of just my little makeshift area. I don't have enough running room for it, so I will do it probably tomorrow outside in the grass with my mat outside. And Rita Rose asked if I could do a full stretching video. I'm probably going to do it in a different video, not in this video. I've already stretched, and then I realized you asked for that request, so I will be doing that in another video. So, I don't need this anymore. There's one thing I have to address though. You guys in the last video and all my other videos, oh, she's wearing makeup. I just have to dress very fastly. I wear mascara. My eyelashes are super duper light, and I really don't like it. Second of all, the makeup that I'm wearing right now, I practice on like Fridays, Saturdays, and after school sometimes. So this is just practice makeup, and then I realized I have to do a video today. So yeah, that's why I have all this. So there you go. Don't be hating on me. Don't come for me. But I think first we're going to learn our handstand roll. Now, most of you guys probably know how to do a handstand. So it's very simple. You put your hands on the ground, you pick up, and keep your legs straight and stay up. So first you're going to have to know how to do a handstand, which I just showed you how to do it. It doesn't matter how long you stay up. For me, I just stay as long as I want. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up into your handstand, tuck your head. So you're going to go up, tuck your head, tuck your knees to your chest, and roll forwards in your handstand. Okay. So there you go. So if you guys did watch it over, you can see I tucked my head and brought my legs to my chest and rolled forwards, putting my hands down when I roll. So if you guys know how to do a forwards roll, which is like this, you're basically doing that from the handstand. So I'll show you guys again. Handstand, tuck your head, tuck your feet, and roll forwards. You guys can choose to stand up, or if you want, you can stay on the ground. I'll show you one standing up and one on the ground, and you guys can see the difference on how it is. When I land like this, I get the momentum to push off of my feet like that. So now I'll show you guys one just landing, because if you guys are doing, if you're in gymnastics or something and you're doing something on the floor or like a routine and you guys want to land on the floor, this is how you do it. So you do the same thing except you don't stand up. So you go like this. Like that. Straighten your legs and come down. Hi, Pumpkin. She's so weird. Okay. thing. She won't come out for any family, any, like my grandparents. She won't come out for my cousins, but I'll bring a new friend over and she'll come out, she'll start rubbing on them, she'll let them pet her. It's like the weirdest thing ever. And then when I try to like make a Musical.ly or TikTok with her, she will literally be the most shy thing and I'll be on my phone and she'll literally come right up to the phone, she'll start sniffing it and I'll be like, why? She's really, really cute though. Can I have a hug? I know I'm getting sidetracked. Can I have a hug? Aw, thank you for saying hi. She's like really skittish, so she gets really scared, but we just had a quick little guess. So now we're doing I almost fell into the wall, a kickover. So if you guys did not see it in the last video, I told you guys how to do a back bend. So I'm just gonna go to my back bend. Oof, okay. So now from this foot, your good foot, you're gonna go like that. So try putting one leg up and just kind of hopping on it. Like that. So you get how it feels. So now you can either push off with both feet and step out like that. Or you can do it the other way where you go like this. So you push off this foot and go like that. Because you're coming down, so it's like, and then you push off right there, you step out. Oh my gosh, my bean's in the way. I don't get her. I really don't. Why don't you socialize? Where I live, there's like this thing called love bugs, and they're like two little bugs connected. And they sometimes get in the house because they fly around all weird. They're like bugs. So she always sees me, she's like, wow. Like, that's a bug. Yeah, she tried eating a frog once. Yeah, I was coming home from school, my mom's like, oh, your cat tried to eat a frog today. I was like, oh, poor frog. I'm sorry, Mr. Frog, that happened to you. I do apologize. But yeah, so once again, we're going to recap. Tuck your head, and when you're in your handstand, pretend you're in your handstand. You can even stand up and do this. So you go like this, pretend you're doing a handstand, tuck your head, bring your one leg up, and go like that. So you just do the movement on both legs, like that. So you're going forwards, so do both legs. Or you can come up, but you not have enough momentum. I don't know, it seems so weird to me, like barely do this myself when I'm sitting here in front of my camera, so you guys had to do it. So here I go. There you go. Now I'll do one more of the back walkover, or not back walkover, back kickover. Go into your back bend, finish, push off. Remember, push off with the leg that's in front first, and keep your back leg straight. It's easier to go over. If your feet are bent like this, or like, I don't even know how other ways besides this. If your feet are bent and your legs are bent and your feet are like this, that actually gets a little worse. I will try to show you. I'm not sure if I can. So you go like this, and then you go, I'm gonna flex my feet. So see how that I couldn't get over for a second? Now I'm going to do it with straight legs and pointed feet. See how much easier that is to get over because you're balancing out your weight, so it's way easier to do. Same thing with like almost any trick. If your feet are bent like this and your legs are like bent like that, you're not gonna get over fast enough. So if you guys do wanna work on keeping your legs straight, have someone hold down your hands or like your arms and just have them make you go like this. Like try to pick your legs up and out with keeping your feet pointed and your legs straight, and you just do that all the time. And sometimes during school, if we're sitting on the rug, if we're sitting on the floor, if we're sitting on the chair, I don't know, it's just something that I do. My feet are always pointed and my legs are always straight. So if you guys do want to practice that, if you're sitting in a chair or anything, try to keep your feet pointed and your legs straight, and that just gets you into the habit of doing it. So yeah, that is how you do your handstand roll and your back kickover. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped. In my last video, someone in the comment section did say that I helped them and they did get their chest stand. So if you guys are watching this video, and thank you for actually trying my tutorial. So yeah, that was me trying to do my, well, not trying, but doing a tutorial on my handstand roll. And do you want to come finish the outro with me? Oh. She does that all the time, don't worry. But yeah, I probably taught you guys something today, or at least how to work on your form and stuff. Yes, I will do a back tuck tutorial. Yes, I will do a full stretching routine for you guys that are asking out there, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and that bell on your way out. And also, if you guys like this video, hit that like button. My name is Jilly, and I'm gonna try to split these.